How to change public Instagram account to private Instagram account. Hello everyone, it's me Smile to help you to know how you can change your public account to your private account. So to know how to do it, watch this video till the end. Very firstly, make sure that you have your Instagram updated to its latest version because this might show you some problem and some of the features might not be available if you do not turn the latest version of Instagram. If you have updated, then there is no problem. Simply open the Instagram and tap on the three vertical lines which is on the top right side. And after you do that, just scroll down. When you tap on the account privacy and try to turn your private account, it shows that this is a business account, so you cannot do it. Then how do you solve it? So if it is not business account, then it will be turned very perfectly. But if it is your business account, then what you should do is change your account type. So to change your account type, what you can do is go upside, tap on Creator Tools and Controls. Okay. And after that, search for switch account type. So you can see right here, right? Tap on the switch account type option. So my account is a business account. Now I want to turn it to a personal account. After I turn my account to a personal one, I am no more a creator. So now my creator option is gone. Now I can simply turn my account to private, my public account to private account, just like this. Hope this helps you guys. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this. If you want to suggest or comment anything, then do comment on the comment section. This is all for today. See you on the next video.